Presenting you pure Katan silk series design number 1. This is your pure Katan silk suit in short dual color with the Shikargah weaving. This is your shirt piece with multi Meena border Zari weaving. This is your Tilfi suit. This is your front piece with the Tilfi Meena and Zari weaving. This is your back side with the same border. We have pant fabric also attached with the suit, and this is your pant border, very beautiful and intricate weaving. Let me show you the dupatta. This is your 2.5 meter with your full width fabric, and this is your border of the dupatta. This is your second border of the dupatta, very intricate shikarga design with the multi weaving resham and zari weaving. DM us to buy.